Meaning of dumbness.
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 Dumbness. Dumbness refers to the condition of being unable to speak or communicate effectively. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including physical disabilities, cognitive impairments, or language disorders. People who are dumb may face social isolation, difficulty performing everyday tasks, and challenges in obtaining educational or employment opportunities. Additionally, they may experience feelings of frustration, helplessness, or loneliness due to their inability to fully express themselves. Overall, living with dumbness can have significant negative impacts on an individual's quality of life.